Ta-da! Our cookies are ready. Today I am going to show you how to make super quick, easy and delicious keto almond cookies made just with 3 ingredients. So are you ready? Let's get started. First, let me show you what we need to make this super yummy cookies. Almond butter, half a cup of keto-friendly sweetener, and just 1 egg. Alright, so first I am going to combine all the ingredients. You see how quick and easy it is? And then in a small bowl I will beat the egg. All right. And this is pretty much it. All we need to do is just mix all the ingredients together and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. So let me preheat the oven to 350. You can get salted almond butter or unsalted. So I have unsalted, so I will add a pinch of salt for flavor enhancement. Alright, so this is our dough. We need a pan with piece of parchment paper, and we don't need to grease this to bake our cookies. To scoop out perfect cookies each time, I am going to use ice cream scooper. This is a great time-saving tool, so you will love it. You can use just creamy almond butter or crunchy almond butter. It's all depends what texture you would like. The easiest cookies ever. Alright, so now is the last step. I am going to flatten the cookies, making a crisscross pattern. Like this. I love very simple and easy recipes, and this is the one which can take barely a few minutes. If your fork is sticking to the butter, it's good to get it wet. Or use another fork. Look at this yumminess. So now I am putting this in my oven and I will see you in 12 minutes. Ta-da! Our cookies are ready. We need to cool them down completely so they can harden, and then I will show you them how they look inside and out. Okay, our cookies are completely cooled down, so let me put it on the platter. Yum, yum. Ta-da! These cookies are crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Alright guys, so if you have no time and you wanna end up your dinner with something sweet, this recipe is for you. I will post the full recipe below the video. Please check this out. And also please comment below the video if you like them, and maybe you have some idea for very easy and quick keto dessert or keto cookies. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. I post the video every week, so please share and like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.